You told, you told him what? Did you tell him that you thought you were a widow? That you were grieving, that the world was to an end, that you needed comfort? Did you tell him you must die? You know, Lord, that ain't true. But that was real.
It was
That was
not.
a long time coming. It was real, Lord.
It was not.
It was you, and it was me, and Carl, and it was real. He was right. Don't say it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Just think about what you felt. Just for a second, what you felt. Everything